In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, amidst the constant chatter and noise, there exists a profound power in silence. In Buddhism, silence is not just the absence of sound, but a deliberate practice that holds immense wisdom and significance. Today, we delve into the essence of silence through 5 key situations in Buddhism where its transformative power is truly revealed. Firstly, silence in the face of anger. When confronted with hostility or agitation, choosing silence over reaction allows us to transcend the cycle of conflict. By remaining calm and composed, we uphold the virtues of patience and compassion. Secondly, amidst gossip or slander. Participating in idle talk can sow seeds of discord and negativity. Opting for silence instead demonstrates respect for others' dignity and promotes harmony within communities. Thirdly, when faced with provocative questions. Rather than getting drawn into heated debates, silence becomes a shield of wisdom. It enables us to preserve inner peace and avoid unnecessary contention. Fourthly, amidst personal criticism. Responding with silence in the face of judgment or blame allows us to cultivate resilience and detachment. By not reacting impulsively, we embody the teachings of non-attachment and equanimity. Lastly, in deep meditation or contemplation. Here, silence is not just absence of noise, but a profound state of inner stillness. It is in this silence that we connect with our true selves, experiencing moments of profound peace and insight. In conclusion, the power of silence in Buddhism extends far beyond mere words. It is a transformative practice that nurtures mindfulness, compassion, and spiritual growth. So, let us embrace the beauty of silence and discover its boundless wisdom on our journey towards inner peace. If you found value in this exploration of silence, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on mindfulness and spirituality. Thank you for watching.